Rounding to the nearest 10. When a number is rounded to the nearest 10, it has at least one zero at the end. For example, 7 approximately equals to 10, 29 approximately equals to 30, 61 approximately equals to 60, etc. We use the rounding to the nearest 10 rule when estimating the approximate value of a small number of items. For example, we say, there are about 30 people in the bus, there are about 40 walnuts in the box, and so on. When a number ends with 0, it has no need to be rounded to the nearest 10. When a number ends with 1, 2, 3, 4, it becomes smaller after rounded to the nearest 10. For example, 1 becomes 0, 34 becomes 30, 51 becomes 50, 143 becomes 140, 15,472 becomes 15,470, etc. On the other hand, when a number ends with 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9, it becomes bigger after it is rounded to the nearest 10. For example, 8 becomes 10, 67 becomes 70, 115 becomes 120, 1479 becomes 1480, etc. We have the following shown on screen. A number rounded to the nearest 10 usually has one zero at the end. However, there are some cases when a number may have more than one zero after being rounded to the nearest 10. This occurs when the number is close to hundreds, thousands, etc. For example, 99 becomes 100, 204 becomes 200, 997 becomes 1000. 10,002 becomes 10,000, etc. The range of numbers that give the same rounding to the nearest 10 is 10 numbers. For example, all numbers from 25 to 34 become 30 after being rounded to the nearest 10. These numbers are 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, and 34. That is all for lesson 2.1.2. To continue this tutorial, please watch 2.1.3, Rounding to the nearest 100. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe to keep up to date with new videos. For more information, calculators, and tutorials, please visit www.icalculator.info.